wewe, pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe.
Chitariki isano nisatu cy'umutinyo gatatu umwaka chitariki kibekire erinde gucengera ritiko ry'abasubati eririmanyikaine buna International Women's Day ime yense engima.
Kisii women warembo, welcome to our traditional dance.
Ime ya Kisii Women's Prisons igo abarai bekirana ase omoyiga oyoroberetiwe amono musubati Margaret motineneri bwachera eyiga ase bari bekirana ase omoyigo yiga ritukola rero musubati mei kwambuka mu first lady we county ya Kisii Dorcas Makandere mo deputy registrar we high court ya Kisii aba MCA abarai bande abateri amona abantu bande niko bekirana ase omoyigo yiga yokorekana ime ya Kisii Women's Prisons.
Brother, sit back, relax, and enjoy. In the old days, women prisoners used to sing songs like Utukumumbe, but today, oh, Maria Dani, oh, Baba, Maria Dani, Maria Dani.
Wana boigo abarai bande abasubati abekirana ase omoyigo yiga igo baira chinga kichabo cha bene kwena nobosemi bwabo gocha ase abasubati abaiga koba omoyo na kugenderera kwimanya anene mono kweyancha nonye basubira ase echeriga igento anene mono kirira abasibwa abaiga kogokiwa amoneri tukeriga.
Nimewasalimu nyinyi wote.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day.
Happy International Women's Day. I'm happy to be here today.
Now, furahia kuwa hapa.
Here is a place to share our joys together.
Twaikirega koba au tosereke na imo asa ubwamo.
Here is a fresh beginning.
Iga bono twachakire ogochako koya.
Stay by doing what is necessary.
Koteba koba kwani esiri nakiyemo nega enene.
Lastly, we are all here waiting to welcome you with open arms.
Sote tuko hapa kuwakaribisha nyote na mikono iliyofunguka.
Your heavenly Father and Jesus Christ know and love you.
Baba yako wa mbinguni Yesu Kristo anakujua na anakupenda.
They will never harm you, they will never forget.
Hatawahi kukuumiza na hata kusahau.
You are not a prisoner to me.
Wewe sio mfungwa kwangu.
You are one of my family members.
Wewe ni mmoja wa familia yangu. Ninataka kumalizia kuzungumza kwangu
By inviting the MCs who are the
press. My name is Dorcas Makandere, Deputy Registrar Kisii High Court. As you all know, today we are gathered here to celebrate International Women's Day. This is a day that has been globally set to celebrate the political, cultural, social achievements of women in all spheres of life. And we also recognize the women in prison because there are also women who need to be celebrated despite them being here for the various offenses they committed. They deserve to be celebrated in a special way by the virtue of the fact that they are women. So today we've learnt a lot from them, the challenges that they face and how we can assist them to encounter these challenges.
Leo ni siku ya furaha kabisa ambao tumetoka katika kaunti ya Kisii kama wamama tukitoa shukrani zetu kwa First Lady ambaye amejitolea kuungana pamoja nasi ili tukuje kutembelea wanawake wenzetu katika gereza la Kisii. Hakika baba, wanawake ni watu muhimu katika maishani ya binadamu, na sawa vile tumeweza kuona kwamba hili gereza maofisa ambao wanafanya kazi kwa wanawake wanawashughulikia vizuri, na tunasema ni asante kwa sababu tumeona wanashughulikiwa vizuri, na pia tumeona wamama ambao wako na watoto, na ni ombi letu katika kaunti ya Kisii kwamba waweze kushughulikiwa kwa sababu wameweza kuomba kwamba waweze kupewa child care. from the Kisii County Assembly. I am there representing gender. Today we are extremely excited to come to the prison to celebrate International Women's Day with the lady prisoners who are here. But we came here and got lots of energy. We are excited to know that there is a facility, a rehabilitation facility, that is actually promoting their emotional well-being, and so we are excited. Even as we leave, we look forward to making this an annual event, that we will not just do it once, we will not just do it for show, but we'll make it a reason and be purposeful in making this an annual event, that we come and celebrate with them. Even as the international community celebrates women, we know that it is a prison that women are, and they are mostly forgotten. So the women in the Kisii County Assembly decided to come and remember the forgotten, and therefore we celebrate the women in this part of the country.
Mu first rate we county ya Kisii musubati mei kwambuka na irari bagari ya ria bene asoko butura keki ya asanga amona basubati abega basibira asetereiga una enchere yemo yokorokyo bomo amono bwanchani wote asa basubati abega basibire ime yechereiga
twamara tigatoragere twamara tigatoragere ibone ngasema ile
pamoja na wewe, pamoja na wewe, katika safari yangu twatembea na wewe.
International Women's Day ne tukolere guchengera abasubati ime yense engima. Bisikulia lero first lady we county ya Kisii mei kwambuka akuwatirana amuna batinene bechere ya Kisii Women Prisons. Itukulia lero ni ngabakoro muyiga omonene imyamagacho ya Women Prisons asoko semya na korokereria basubati anene muno bari babwatitu amuna momucho ao kuruiga asama gachaiga anene muno nigo abakwanire bereri bagari abari abene anene muno gosegeta basubati abiga we omoyo na kugenderera kumenya sobuge mubiga we katika kitiba ko bagosubura kera barosigo bagwenire eri ucho kugenderera kumenya asenseiga wika okoko kwabo. Hingo reporter ya TV ya Kisii Hot TV kurwa Kisii Women Prisons account ya Kisii returning to Dennis Kokori Konto.